Thanksgiving worksheet that we're going to do today for our Ladybug class. And what the students need to do is they need to color all of this and then draw their favorite plate of food. Afterwards, they need to write what they are thankful for. So today will be our first coloring contest, and then we'll see how it goes. All right, let's get started. Ariel, what is this? Oh! What is it? Huh? So, curry filled with love. Love curry. Love. JC, what is this? English, please. What is it? Chicken? It's not turkey? So what the kids are doing right now is they're voting for which they think is the best Thanksgiving coloring worksheet.
Walk around and see which one. Yes, thank you, Allison.
Can you guys let Teacher Sue choose 2 more?
No.
Okay, no? Can I have 2 more votes? 我已经投了2个，我可以再有2个吗？可以吗？谁说可以的，请举手。Oh, thank you. This is the winner for today's coloring contest, and this is her food. And look. All right, and she got, hi Nora, and she got, what did you get? What is that?
It's a chicken.
It's a chicken. Yeah, it's supposed to be a turkey. All right, good. Hi, my Cicada class. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my Thanksgiving video from my Ladybug class, and that's what we did last week in the class, and then we had a coloring contest, and they enjoyed it a lot too, and it was very tiring for me because there were a lot of students who couldn't make up their minds of which drawing to choose. And then when they voted, and then before they voted, when they started coloring, like everybody was like, can I color this? What should I write? And then Teacher Sue was helping them finish the worksheet. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And like I said before, if you were in the States, you had Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday off. So 4-day long weekend if you were in the States. So a belated Thanksgiving to all of you. So now I'm back in Taipei. I was on a family trip with my mom and dad, and then now I'm back shooting this video for you guys. 我的书宝们上课咯! All right, today is Monday, December 2nd. And I didn't get your tests yet because the tests were with Teacher Linda. So it's at Xingshen Elementary School right now, and I'm at home. All right, so I don't know who got what yet, so I will have to go to school and then grade them and then tell you guys on Wednesday. And I also asked Teacher Linda to see how you guys were behaving, okay? 谁乖谁不乖，谁爱讲话，谁忘记课本哦，我通通都知道喽。Alright， 谁没来 ？Alright， 所以，你们爱讲话的人 ，keep your mouth shut some more, okay? Stop talking when she's talking. Alright, so all I have with me is a piece of A4 paper, talking about the next unit, and here we go. So our new unit will talk about past progressive tense. 意思就是过去进行式。你还记不记得我们在 Spotlight Reading 有讲过类似的形态？不过在讲现在进行式呢，你还记不记得那个 formula 那个组合那个要怎么是什么呢 ？Alright， 还记不记得主词加be 动词加 verb ing， 可是你的 be 动词是 is、am 跟 are，alright， 我不是叫你背那个 am is are 吗 ？alright， 这个就是它的重要性啊。那我们现在的 English Chess 呢是要讲过去进行式哦，所以就变成说是主词加 was、were、 Alright, was 或者是 were 加 verb ing. Alright, so everybody turn to page 38 in your student book. 38, 38, 38, 38, 38. So in this unit, you are going to be talking about past progressive tense, like I said, and you're going to be talking about two things that happened in the past at the same time. 我再讲一次哦，两个事情同时发生在过去的时候。Two things that happened in the past at the same time. So the title of this lesson is called What Were You Doing at 8 o'clock? What were you doing? Notice the were. 然后在 you 是主词 doing 加 ing. Okay, what were you doing at 8 o'clock? So let's talk about the vocabulary words. Everybody say walking. Walking. Getting dressed. Getting dressed. Washing dishes. Washing dishes. Daydreaming. Daydreaming. Waiting for a bus. Waiting for a bus. Taking care of. Taking care of. All right, so I think you should know what all of these words mean. I mean, walking is like this, right? You should know what walking is. Number 2, getting dressed. Getting dressed is like putting on your clothes. All right, that's called getting dressed. Number 3, washing dishes. Do you help mom wash the dishes? Washing dishes. Daydreaming. Like wondering what you're going to do. So sometimes in Cicada class, I think there are some students that like to daydream in my class. Daydream. Like that. All right. Number 5, waiting for a bus. Waiting for a bus. I wait for a bus every single day when I go to Xinsheng Elementary School. And taking care of. Do you take care of your younger brother or younger sister? All right. So let's go to section B, the question and the answer. Section B, the question goes like this. What were you doing when I called you? What were you doing when I called you? 所以这个翻成中文的意思是，当我打电话给你的时候，你在做什么呢？ OK， 这个问在中间的意思是当 OK， 当我打电话给你的时候，你在做什么呢？ And then you would answer in past progressive tense. I was reading a book. I was talking on the phone. I was washing dishes. Okay. Question number 2. What were you doing at 8 o'clock this morning? What were you doing at 8 o'clock this morning? I was taking a walk. All right. Again, you answer it with past tense, past progressive tense. I was sleeping. I was eating breakfast. Okay. Now let's go to the dialogue on page 39. Dialogue on page 39 between Rachel and Jeff, and let's find out what is happening. All right. So read it with me. Here we go. Ready, set, go. How are you, Jeff? Terrible. What's wrong? I lost my bicycle when I was cycling around town today. You lost your bicycle? Yes. I think I lost it when I was watching a fire engine. All right. First of all, you need to know cycling. What is cycling? Cycling is this. All right. And then the answer that he says is, yes, I think I lost it when I was watching a fire engine. So you got to know what a fire engine too is. So I'm going to ask you on Wednesday. Okay, later on in the dialogue, Rachel says, what happened? Well, I was pushing my bicycle near the library when a fire engine passed by. Then what happened? I think somebody took my bicycle when I was following the fire engine. Somebody took it? I just left it for a few minutes. OK， 这个其实很容易发生诶。如果我觉得你的脚踏车是比较贵的那一种 ，alright， 如果你一不注意看，有可能会被偷走哦。alright， 所以 Jeff 呢，他就说，I was pushing my bicycle near the library when a fire engine passed by. So Fire engine 是什么？你看图片应该就知道了。And then he thinks that somebody took his bicycle, okay, when he was following the fire engine. All right, so for homework, please do the questions on page 39. 回答那几个问题. All right, on page 39, incomplete sentences. Now that we're done with the student book, we're going to move on to the Spotlight Reading book, and we are heading to Unit 7. Unit 7, page 54. And we have 8 vocabulary words to talk about. All right, so repeat after me. Ordinary. Ordinary. Teeth. Teeth. Pancakes. Pancakes. Fresh. Fresh. Drives. Drives. Finish. Finish. Exercise. Exercise. Healthy. Healthy. So hopefully teacher Linda went over the meanings of these words with you. All right. For number 1, I think the closest to ordinary it would be normal. Normal. So for example, you can say like, I live an ordinary life. I do the same thing every single day. I go to school at 8 a.m. Sorry, 8 p.m. is a little bit too late. Everybody's like eating dinner during that time. All right. Number 2, teeth. Teeth is easy. Okay. Teeth is the plural. Okay. 是复数的哦. Tooth is the one. Okay. One tooth. Okay. Many teeth. Number 3, pancakes. Pancakes. I love eating pancakes. Okay. They remind me of breakfast back in the States. Okay, so they usually come in a really round form, and the syrup that goes with it, 就是它的那个酱很好吃. All right, number 4, fresh. Fresh. I love a fresh salad, fresh seafood. What else? Yeah, anything fresh is good. All right, number 5, drives. 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 All right, if it's this drives. All right. So number 6, finish. Did you all finish your homework? Did you all finish your homework? Hopefully you did. Number 7, which teacher Sue loves to do, is exercise. Exercise. I love to go exercise every weekend. And then number 8, if you want to be healthy, you have to exercise, right? So I think this unit's words are not that hard. So hopefully you guys can choose the right answer in the multiple choice questions. 所以这个单元的文法呢，我礼拜3还会再详细跟你们说。可是我觉得这个是一个复习的文法。什么时候用 do， 什么时候用 does. Okay? So remember, do is like I do, you do. All right? We do, they do. And then with does is he does, she does, it does, Sue does, Waylon does. Okay, so he, she, it goes with does. All right, so basically that's all you need to remember. But on Wednesday, I'm going to go over that grammar page together. 然后最后我也是想要跟你们分享说，我之前不是有去那个板桥的 Christmas lights 吗？然后我去看了那边的 Christmas tree， 我觉得还蛮美的。If you guys have time, tell your parents to take you to see the 板桥 Christmas tree and the lighting show that goes with it. Okay, so hopefully you guys will enjoy my video at the end of my teaching video. So I will see you guys all on Wednesday. Bye-bye.
广场一定要跟地标椰蛋树来张美美的合照。从市民广场过个马路就可以到板桥站南广场。